Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download a PyCharm software. It allows us to write a Python code easily. It also provides us with the tools for organizing and managing your Python project. So you go to Google, then you type PyCharm. You say enter, then you see on this part, so you click download. So we have a paid version, then we have a free version. Under community, so we go to free, we download the free version. So we wait, then you choose your own directory, then you click save. So when it's done, so you click here, then you say show in folder, then it will take you to your directory. So when you get here, so you double click or you right click, then you say open. So you click next, click next. So when you get to this part, so you click on PyCharm Community Edition, then you say add. You click on add bin folder to path. Then you say next, then you say install. So if you want to reboot your PC now, you just click on reboot, say finish, or I'll reboot later. So I go to restart. Then you click there. Then you go to search, and you say PyCharm. PyCharm. So when you get here, so what you do, so you go to new project. So you can change the name. So say first project. Create. So when you get to this page, you can just remove that. So since we are writing a Python code, so you can just say print, open bracket, close, say hello world. Hello world, open CV. You can click here, run, or you can just you can click here. So you see, it wrote hello world. Or you can just click there. Yeah, it's running there. It's fine. Okay, guys. On this video, I'm just gonna stop here. Please like the video and please subscribe. See you on the next video.